Mangwabe had many miscarriages and Musamseleku was keeping demanding kids to Mangwabe. Mangwabe says no, she will end up losing her life to try to impress a man. Musamseleku was explaining to Mangwabe's mother that I need many kids. That's why I want to marry the wife number 5. Mangwabe says, what about the miscarriages I had? Musamseleku doesn't care about miscarriages or what. Mayeni, Makumalo, Mangwabe, they had many miscarriages. If those wives, they don't have many miscarriages, maybe we can count that Mangwabe can have got 5 kids or 4 kids with Musamseleku. Makumalo 4 kids, Mayeni 4 kids, because Mayeni had a miscarriages. The person we don't know about the miscarriages is Macele only, because Macele have got 3 kids and says no because the doctor says she can't have many kids. That's why Macele allow Musamseleku to marry other wives, because to marry Makwela, because Musamseleku was keep demanding kids. I don't know that Makwela can fulfill his number because he wants 20 kids. Guys, what about, because now 11 kids. Makwela have got 1 child with Musamseleku. But people are saying Makwela is not pregnant. People are saying, because I saw Makwela, she looks like she was pregnant or what, but other people, they say she is not pregnant. Makwela still have Metuli. Guys, Makwela, her mind is working. Even her people, her relatives can tell Makwela that why you want to have kids with a person who don't stay with the Musamseleku. Musamseleku didn't buy a house. He buy houses for his wives, but you want to have another child. So Makwela, guys, she can't have another child until Musamseleku took her and marry her like Mayeni. You know that Mayeni, we have Mpumelelo, she was at her parents' house. Maybe Musamseleku was keep demanding kids to Mayeni. And Mayeni says no until Musamseleku build a house, because he married Mayeni and have a wedding. Mayeni have still Mpumelelo only. And when they have a wedding, Musamseleku build a house for Mayeni. Mayeni have the second pregnant of Munini, because she had many miscarriages, Mayeni. So he had Munini when she was in Muzumbe, Mayeni. So Makwela, I don't think she can have another child from Musamseleku. Musamseleku didn't buy a house, a shelter to stay with their kids and have another child. It doesn't make any sense, because you can try to impress a man. Mangwabe can lose their life, guys, to try to impress a man, and to have many miscarriages. It's very dangerous to have many miscarriages. So I think it's risky. Even Makumalo, you understand it? So Musamseleku have to accept it, because sometimes you wish to have 20 kids but God gave you 10 kids. 10 kids are many, guys. There is other men, they have got 2 kids, 3 kids, 1 child, but Musamseleku have got 10 kids. And what I saw to Musamseleku, he is demanding boys where he is getting boys, because Mpumelelo and Lwahle are their chance now to marry. Musamseleku, he want to be in competition with Lwahle and Mpumelelo. He have to support them and to raise the grandkids, not Musamseleku at the side. He have got a young child and now grandkids, because Musamseleku's grandkids, Nhlopekazi, Nzulu, and Singabako are older than Metuli. Imagine, guys, Metuli, their we can say their auntie. They can call Metuli their aunt is younger than, it doesn't make any sense. Musamseleku, you have to, when guys, even to take the wife number 5, there is no reason, because now there is a lot of drama. He end up losing his life, admitted in hospital because of that. Musamseleku's family, they are very united, because now, guys, it is causing a lot of confusion between his wives now, because, guys, you know that Makumalo at other side, Mangwabe, Mayeni. So sometimes, guys, he have to, even he is regretting now what he did, because to Makwela, because Makwela can't fulfill kids number 20, and he is wasting another Makwela's time sometimes.